Hello students, and welcome to your Week 4 folder. This is your Week 4 overview video so you can know what to expect when it comes to Week 4. In Week 4 we're going to be learning about radioactive decay and those processes behind that. And you'll notice in the middle of the table underneath the Week 4 overview there are the objectives for the week. On the right side of the table you have your list of assignments that we will be doing. You'll notice there are 4 main assignments, and then an optional honors assignment would be the 5th one if you're doing the optional honors track. If you find that you're having some trouble this week, if you're overwhelmed with something that's going on, or you just don't have as much time as you usually do, be sure to focus on the bolded assignments. Those are your focused first list. For example, Week 4 Learn Radioactive Decay and the Week 4 Inquiry Radioactive Decay series. Those would be the 2 focus first assignments I would have you do. Now with that being said, if you're skipping a few assignments, you want to make sure that you're completing those reading materials so that way you don't miss anything when you go to do the Week 4 Inquiry Radioactive Decay series. Speaking of reading materials, I have them in this folder right below the overview. So if you click on this Week 4 Reading Materials title, that brings you into the folder with all the reading material you'll have and need to complete. At the beginning, or the very top of the folder, is a review and need to know from the previous weeks. There's a list of vocabulary words, and then there's the sections for chapter 5 and 24 that we will focus on. Similar to the previous weeks, there are audio pieces for each section as well as the reading pieces. You can either listen to the audio, you can read the PDF files, or you can do both. If you want to open any of the PDF files underneath one of the titles, you'll click on the blue files that are attached, and that'll open up in a separate link for you. And then if you want to listen to any audio, remember to ignore the zeros. You'd hit the play button, and that will begin the audio for that section of reading. Then when you're ready, you go back to Week 4 Radioactive Decay and Modeling Predictions, and that brings you back into the Week 4 folder. And then once you scroll below your reading materials folder, you have the assignments that begin. If you're able to, try to complete them all. Make sure to do them in order, because that will help you in terms of completing the bigger assignment, which is the Week 4 Inquiry Radioactive Decay series. If you have any questions while you're working, make sure to reach out and let me know. Otherwise, go ahead and begin with your reading materials and then the Week 4 Learn activity, Radioactive Decay.